Greetings and welcome to the Hudson Reactor Aerial Tour. The following orientation video will review the best practices and protocols to assure you a safe and enjoyable visit. All guests are required to sign the liability waiver, demonstrate understanding and ability to use the smart belay system, as well as adhere to all instructions and rules reviewed in this video or provided by Hudson Reactor employees. In addition to the harness and smart belay device, guests will be provided with a headlamp that must remain in red light mode at all times. Gloves are also available upon guest request. Once in the reactor, the tour often has very limited visibility and will require guests to move slowly and cautiously through a variety of obstacles. Please take your time and encourage other guests to do the same. No more than one guest per obstacle at all times. You must wait for the all clear from a preceding guest prior to moving on the next obstacle. Likewise, you must provide an all clear to the guest following you once you have cleared the challenge. Once you have begun the tour, the smart belay system must be connected to the lifeline at all times. We really hope you enjoy your tour and look forward to seeing you again soon. This begins part 1 of the automated harness and smart belay training.
The harness will be laid on the ground. Make sure the leg openings are spread out and not twisted. You want to step into the harness. Make sure that your feet go all the way through. Once you get both feet in, grab the gray straps on the harness and start to lift those up. As you're working those up, work the leg straps up, making sure your pants are not bunched in the straps. First step in adjusting the harness, tighten the gray straps, pulling them upwards, making sure they're tight. Once those are tight, move to the waist straps. Pull both straps till they're tight. You would like to feel resistance around your waist as if it was a belt. The next step, pull the leg straps tight, reach down, pick up the smart belay system with your dominant hand and place over your dominant shoulder. The reason for putting the system over your shoulder is we do not want them to drag on the ground or get dirt in the mechanisms. The smart belay system is designed with the UTR standard of unclick, transfer, re-click. Taking one of the smart belay carabiners with your dominant hand, open the device by pressing the green button on the back and the black handle on the front and squeezing. Clip it on a lifeline, pull down, and you will hear an audible click. With your dominant hand, grab the other carabiner, open the device, hook onto the line, pull down, listening for the audible click.
Make sure you completely understand the UTR. You will be required to demonstrate. Do not jump, leap, bounce, or spin during your tour. Make sure your hair is tied back. No exposed jewelry, watches, cameras, etc. will be allowed on the tour. Never put your finger in the pulley part of the belay. Do not put your head between the lanyards. Appropriate attire is required. Hudson Reactor reserves the right to refuse admittance to anyone considered a safety risk. This concludes Hudson Reactor Video Orientation 1.